Hi, my name is Sheikh Juhid Tasnim. Today I am going to explain about process states, different types of process, and the process states one by one. Let us discuss mainly about the process and what are the types of process. Process. A program is a set of statements or instructions. A process is a program in execution. Program is a passive entity and a process is a active entity. Program resides in hard disk, process resides in RAM. The main memory allocated by the operating system of process consists of four parts. The four parts are text, heap, stack, data. These are the four parts. These are the four parts. Text, data, heap, stack. Here text stores statements to be executed. Data stores data. Here heap and stack stores some functions such as return, etc. Let us discuss about them. The text part contains instructions. The text part contains instructions, and the stack part contains the process tag contains temporary data such as method, function, parameters, return address, and local variables. Heap. It is a dynamically allocated memory to store the process during its runtime. Data. This section contains global and static variables. Text. This includes the current activity presented by the value of program counter and contents of the processor register. Process states. A process can be present in the five states: new state and ready state, and there are any three states. A process in a particular time will be any of these following states. New states. The process is being created. Here, a new process is created. Ready state. This process is ready to perform the execution. Running state. The process is executing. Waiting state. The process is waiting for an event to occur. Exit. The process completed its execution. Here, any process may enter into these five steps. Here, the first step is new state. New state where the process is started is created. Ready state where the process is ready to execute. Running state where the process is being executed. Waiting state, the process waited because of any event occur or any it stays in waiting state for another process. Exit, when the process completed its execution. These are the five steps. The process may in these any one of five states. The change in state, this is the new state, and this is the ready state, this is the running state, and exit state, and waiting state. New state, the process is ready to be executed. Here ready state, the process is executed. Running state, the process is executing. If it is wait state, it waits until the event occurs. After completion of the event, it moves to the ready state and continue the process and exit out of the state. When the process is ready for execution, allocation of CPU, then the process moves from new state to ready state. When CPU is allocated to the process, then the process moves from ready state to running state during execution of process. If the process is completed, then the process moves from running state to exit state. If any input or output operation is required, then process moves from running state to wait state. If the allocated time is over, then the process moves from running state to ready state. When the requested IO operation is completed, then the process moves from waiting state to ready state. Process state, start. This is the initial state where the process is first created or started. Ready state. The process is waiting to be assigned to the processor. Ready process are waiting to have a processor allocated to them with the operating system so that they can run. Process may come into these states after start state or while running it. Running. Once the process have been assigned to the processor by the OS scheduler, the process state is set to running and the processor executes its instructions. Waiting state. Process move into the waiting state if it needs to wait for a resource, such as waiting from user input or waiting for a file to become available. The process may enter into these five states: terminated or exit. Once the process finishes its execution or it is terminated by the operating system, it is moved to the terminate state where it waits to be removed from main memory. Thank you.